Andrew Jude Walker here. I've travelled today to Seattle. I'm in the Pioneer Square area in search of interview with local birds. There's quite abundance of them, and beautiful pigeons and sparrows and bluebirds of all different sizes and colours. Today we're going to try to interview as many as we can. Thank you. Here is a bluebird. He doesn't want to interview. Maybe this bluebird here. A very, very brilliant looking bluebird indeed. Maybe we can get an interview. Excuse me, bluebird. Maybe ask you a few questions today, bluebird. Are you waiting for the train? Bluebird. Maybe ask you just a few questions. Are you waiting for the train today, bluebird? He obviously does not want to talk. He's in the middle of finding his breakfast, but very, very inquisitive. A beautiful bluebird. Here are another two pigeons that I have attempted to interview. The one on the left can be an ornery fella, as the one on the right. The one on the right can be very vocal about not wanting to be interviewed. So as I approach to try to get an interview, let's see if I can ask a few questions of the pigeons. Pigeon. I call this one Henry. Henry, can I ask you some questions today? What exactly... Oh, darn it. Goodbye, Henry. Goodbye. I have tried to get these beautiful, beautiful pigeons to stop flying in circles here in the accidental square, but something about these pigeons tells me that this is something they do on a regular as they land on tops of the lights. Some of the most beautiful pigeons I've ever seen in my life. As you can see, maybe we can approach for an interview. Excuse me, pigeon. Excuse me, pigeon. Okay. He was not in the mood to talk, but we will try that.